Hi friends, welcome to Paras TV. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new videos. For my old subscribers, thank you so much. Please share and like this video for others to see. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use the B6000 gun for a perfect work. The first thing you need to do is you open the cover, then you apply. This is the hairband I want to use it for. You apply generously. Then you cover your gun to avoid air from entering. Then you leave it for some seconds for it to dry. Welcome back. Now we are going to go and work. You gently go like this. You can see my work is done. You can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Thank you.